We all know that balanced diet is very essential for our health and well-being. Do you know what is balanced diet? How much calorie do we need every day? What is the basic energy requirement? And if we do physical activities, then how much amount of extra energy do we need for our body? Everything will be discussed in this lesson. Therefore, I would request you to subscribe our channel and share with your friends. Alright, let's start the lesson. Basically, the diet means the food we eat daily provides us the energy in the form of calorie. Calorie means the amount of heat is required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree. For supplying adequate amount of calories to our body, balanced diet is required. What is balanced diet? Balanced diet is a diet which contains all the nutrients in proper amount. Nutrients are of two types, macronutrients and micronutrients. Macronutrients are carbohydrates, proteins and fat. Micronutrients are vitamins, minerals, water and fiber. Mainly macronutrients, carbohydrates, proteins and fats are the main energy producing sources. In general, 57% of carbohydrates, 13% of protein and 30% of fat are required for our body. For each kilogram of body weight, 1.3 kilocalories of energy is required per hour. Okay. Now let's take an example of 50 kg athlete. Therefore, the basic energy requirement for the athlete will be okay, 1.3 kilocalorie of energy is required per hour. That's why I have taken 24 hours as we are calculating for a day and 50 kg of athlete. So it will be 1650. Now if that 50 kg athlete does 2 hours of extra workout, then what will be the extra energy requirement? For each hour of workouts, 8.5 kilocalories are required per kg of body weight. So what will be the extra energy requirement for that 50 kg athlete? So 8.5 kilocalories are required per hour, 2 hours of workout that athlete does and 50 kg of body weight. So it will be 850 kilocalorie. Okay. Now then what will be the exact calorie required for this athlete? So basic energy requirement was 1650 kilocalorie and extra energy requirement is 850 kilocalorie. So 1650 plus 850 equal to 2410 kcal. Therefore, what we understood that basic energy requirement will be 1650 kilocalorie, extra energy requirement will be 850 kilocalorie and total energy requirement will be 2410 kilocalories. So we understood that 50 kg athlete will be requiring 2410 kilocalories of energy. Now let's understand how much carbohydrate is required, how much protein is required and how much fat is required. As said earlier, 57% of carbohydrate is required for our body. So 57% of 2410 kilocalorie equal to 1370 kilocalories. And also it was said that 1 gram of carbohydrate provides us 4 kilocalories. So 1370 divided by 4 equal to 343 gram of carbohydrate is required for this 50 kg athlete. In the same way, 13% protein is required for our body. So 13% of 2410 kilocalorie equal to 313 kilocalorie. And it was also said that 1 gram of protein provides us 4 kilocalories. So 313 divided by 4 equal to 78 gram. 78 gram of protein is required for this 50 kg athlete. In the same way, 30% of fat is required. So 30% of 2410 kilocalorie equal to 723 kilocalories. So, and it was also said that 1 gram of fat provides us 9 kilocalories. So 723 divided by 9 equal to 80 gram. So what we understood that for this 50 kg athlete, 343 gram of carbohydrate is required, 78 gram of protein is required, and 80 gram of fat is required. Thank you so much for watching this entire video. Please subscribe our channel and share with your friends. And do not forget to like and comment too.